Check out our new hamster home. It's actually a 4-story home for the hamster. I'll show you. He's asleep. So, right at the top is the sand bath. We placed the food here, but he's not so good in actually climbing down through that hole. So he can walk down there. These little holes. And there's his house where he can sleep. He has some food here, and he can walk down there. So there's his wheel. And down there he can actually have a good dig. Maybe. I'll show you in another video how he runs up and down on his little runway, which is so cute.